Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable Ultimate Performance Mode on Windows 11. This mode allows you to maximize the performance of your system for demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, or other resource-intensive activities. Let's dive in. First, let's access the power option settings. You can do this by right-clicking on the Start and selecting Power Options. Now, in the power option window, you might see different power plans depending on your system. However, by default, the ultimate performance plan might be hidden. Don't worry, we can enable it using a simple command. To do that, open the command prompt. You can do this by typing CMD in the start menu, then selecting Run as Administrator. Now, in the command prompt window, type the following command. Press enter, you should see a message confirming that the power scheme has been added successfully. Now, let's go to the power option settings again. Now choose or customize a power plan. You should see the ultimate power plan listed there. Click on Ultimate Performance to select it, and that's it. You've successfully enabled Ultimate Performance mode on Windows 11. Remember, Ultimate Performance mode is designed for high performance systems and might consume more power. So, it's recommended to use it when you need maximum performance and switch back to a balanced plan for regular usage. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.